Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer. And if you are new to this channel, just make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a bar chart here, I'm just going to zoom in here first. So I'm just going to insert with for this value. First of all, select the value, so only you can just insert a chart. Then click on the insert option and just click on the chart option, and here you just need to choose the bar option on this. Here you can see a clustered bar and stocked bar, and also the 100% stocked bar. So actually we just using this type of chart or this type of chart. I just going to choose this second chart. So you can resize the chart like this, and you can just keep wherever you just needed. So then in the part of customization, so here the four option you can just use for the advanced settings, like a chart element. You can just add a chart element like data, so it's easy to view and explain the chart with only the chart, because the data is more important. Then you just go into the quick layout, and here you can just choose a quick layout, like you can just make it here on the downside by using this option. And there is a lot of quick layout options here, so you can just use whichever you just needed. And then next, for the customization, like things like this, you can see the shaded elements of here. This is about customization of graphics of the chart. So I can choose this option or this option, so let's look great. You can just use this. And then about the colors, you can just choose different colors if you just need it, or if you just need a single color with a multiple ratio of difference in shades, you can just use this also. So I just going to use this. And here in the setting option, you have advanced settings like a gradient, color fill, picture. You can just set picture as a background, and also transparency, and also the efforts that you just can customize, and size and portion of the text and everything can be customized through the advanced option or advanced formatting option on the WPS spreadsheet on the computer. I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.